Hello traders out there in Traderland, D7 here with Grok Trade. My real name's Des Woodruff, and I welcome you to the 101 course. Thank you for signing up. This was a big step for you to get going on this, and we're going to take you by the hand and show you some great things. The question is, why do you want to become a trader? Everyone has a different reason why they want to become a trader. Maybe you just want a second stream of income. Maybe you want to pay off some debts. Maybe you want to grow your retirement. You want to take control of your retirement. Perhaps you want to replace your job completely. We have a lot of our students that will quit their job and trade full time or pay off mortgage faster, or maybe pay off some schooling. Who knows? You might just want to buy something big, or you just might want to jump in to see where it takes you. Trading is a fun, rewarding discipline to have in life if you do it responsibly. Education is a responsible way of doing it, but who in the world am I? I'm the owner of Grok Trade. I'm also a quant fund owner, a hedge fund owner. What is a hedge fund? Just high net worth people give me money to invest for them. And I have a passion for teaching. I'm where I'm at today because of a trading mentor. For that reason, we offer trading mentoring, nothing else. Moving on. This is the 101 trading. This is the 101 course, basic level. We're starting small. We're doing it together. No pressure, no rush, and it's just the beginning. This is for people that don't know a lot about trading, but it's also for those who want to make sure that all the gaps in your understanding of trading are filled in. So maybe you've been trading a while, you're at the right place at the right time too. But if you're brand new, that's perfect. We assume you don't know much or anything about trading. We're here to guide you, and we're going to do so step by step. This is about this getting figured out, and figured out for who? For you. So what is the 101 course, and what does it do? It is baby steps, and it baby steps you down the path. We're doing the basics, which is super easy, super clear, and at the end, you'll be able to decide if trading is for you, is trading in your future. You'll be able to decide that yourself. So let's talk about the path you're on. If trading is for you, you've already made the decision to start doing research. Check, you've done that. Now you just signed up for the 101s. You're here now. You haven't finished it yet. You don't have a check mark yet, but you will finish these. You're going to make a promise to yourself that you will in fact finish all of these. Do that for yourself. When you do finish them, you get a check mark. After that, you'll have the requisite information needed to be able to decide whether you want to go down the path to become a responsible trader. If so, we have the education for you. And what does that mean? First thing we're going to do is set a foundation of trading information. And the 201 courses are trading tutorials, but they are ramped way up compared to the 101s. When you get these, you're going to know what stocks to trade, when to get in, when to get out, and you're going to have a great basic foundation of how to trade. The 101s are what trading is about. 201s is how to trade. And then once you finish the 201s, you're going to go into the 301 mentorship. The 301 mentorship is 3 days. It's live, usually online in a small group, and taught by our very own Mark the Meerkat. So you're going to hear his strengths in teaching, his skill sets in the 101s that you're getting ready to go through right now. That same mentor is going to be bringing you down the path to the 301. The 301 is very powerful. That's where the secrets of trading comes in. That's when all the information comes together so you can start trading with confidence in the live markets. After that, you get to the 401 Master Trader, and that's with yours truly, Des. I teach this more advanced course, and it is perfect. It is 2 days, and once you finish that, you have everything you need to trade in the live markets to help you reach your full potential as a trader. You will be able to trade in the markets with a high level of confidence after this. So we've got you. You're starting in the right place at the right time. Let's do this. Let's do it together. Get the 101 started now. Don't hesitate and finish them. So enjoy, Mark. Enjoy your education. Take care, and let's get started.